Okay, so here we have a Toyota CHR hybrid. It's the 2023 model. I'm going to show you how to open the hood or this front bonnet area to access the engine area. Just open the car, and then just here underneath the petrol cap sign is the lever to pull open the hood. So just pull that and that opens it. And now you just need to move the latch out of the way and open the bonnet. So lift it up slightly, like so, to get your fingers through. And the lever is it's down here. So just about there, you may be able to see it. So it's just here. And what you want to do is push it to the left. And that will allow you to then lift this up. You've got that there to balance the bonnet on. So there we go, that's in place. The lever is just here. So you put your hands through like that and then just push it to the left, and that will allow you to lift the bonnet open. And this stick here can be used to prop open the hood. So if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching.